Definitely a squirter. Oh, that's a good thing. Oh, I'm supposed to loosen the top. What a dumbass. Cool. And agua. I can hear her. I just can't get close enough to shoot it. There's a red tail up there. I'm just not sure where. There she is. Well, that was exciting. I finally got a pretty good shot and video with the Nikon F4 600 of a red-shouldered hawk, I believe it was. I'll have to look at her again. Nonetheless, I've been stalking these bad boys forever, and they always see me and take off. It's weird that the one day that I'm just wearing like solid colors, she stops. She's making a lot of noise, so I'm not sure if she was a fletchling because I'm not a bird expert. So all you bird experts help me out, but really exciting to get it. They say to drink about 2 quarts of water an hour. I'm sorry, 1 quart of water an hour. And this is all that I have left minus the grail. So plenty of water.